We're here at the Hometown Inn and Suites here in Schererville, Indiana. Check out what we have here. Hey, high big chimes. Let's go to 330A. Here are two. Let's go back down to one. Absolutely, positively, no smoke in the elevator hallways. This place kind of stinks. These buttons are like smushed in. Yeah, it's a nice cab. From like the 2010s, I think. Here are two. Let's go back down to one. Notice these buttons here. Schindler HT. It's like a mom and pop kind of hotel, and they have it's a two-story hotel with an elevator. So yeah. Anyway, I guess that is gonna be it for me.